Hello guys, today I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to MetaMask wallet. Firstly, log into your Kraken account and type the name of the crypto you wish to transfer in the search box and select it once you find it. Open the MetaMask wallet by logging with your password and click on Confirm button. Your wallet address is located above the balance of your main coin, such as Ethereum for Ethereum. The main coin is used to pay gas fees for the network. Click on the address to automatically copy it to your clipboard. Now head back to Kraken and go to the withdrawal section. If you have previously sent coins to a wallet, the address will automatically appear. If this is your first time sending coins to this wallet, click on Add Ethereum Address button. Paste your MetaMask wallet address and click Add New Withdrawal Address. Now enter the amount of crypto you'd like to withdraw. A couple of tips. Don't withdraw the entire balance and consider withdrawing 10% of your total amount first to test the process to send the rest if everything works smoothly. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.